Yo, I've got a beautiful piece of rump steak here, Welsh beef. I've trimmed all the fat and it's the perfect cut to make a Chinese style crispy beef. So, let's go. You need to cut it into strips, and you don't want the steak to be up to room temp here. Easier to cut it into strips when it's cold. You can use any steak for this recipe, but for me, I like the rump. Into the bowl, wash my hands. Right then, let's marinate the beef. Light soy sauce, fish sauce, bit of sesame oil, and I'm gonna throw in some garlic. I find if you grate the garlic, it just infuses into the beef better. Grate some ginger, and if you can, always use fresh ginger for marinating. Dry ginger just doesn't do the job. Give it all a mix. You can let that chill for as long as you like, but give it at least a good half an hour, you know, just to absorb some of those flavours. Time to do a really quick, simple sauce. I'm going for a bit of a sweet and sour vibe here. Hoisin sauce, bit of oyster sauce, bit of fish sauce, soy sauce, good glug of rice wine vinegar, and that's the sour hit, in with some honey for the sweet. Just give it a mix. Sauce done. This is really simple, really fast food. I love it. I'll chop some veg to fry with the beef. I like a bit of pepper, some spring onions. Finally dice the green part and cut the tops into strips. It's hard when you've got big sausage fingers. Spot on. Some chilli and some garlic. Next, I want to add the egg into the beef. I've got 500 grams of corn flour here, in with the beef. The beef will clump together first, but you can just separate it with your fingers. Tap the beef between your hands, get rid of that excess flour, and that's what you're looking for. Beautifully covered long strip of Welsh beef. Yota, all that's ready. Bit of a clean down, wash my hands, and we're ready for some sizzle action. Right then. Let's deep fry these marinated rump steak strips. So I'm going to fry them until they're golden, crispy, lovely. I'm going for around 3 minutes on these, I think. Oh, just the smell of this crispy beef frying reminds me of the smell of walking up to my favourite Chinese. Right then, this batch is done, and that's what you're looking for. I've got a nice clean pan now, in with the chilli and garlic. So just cook the chilli and garlic down for a couple of minutes. In with the onions and peppers. And these are the white parts of the spring onions. I'll use the green parts for garnishing. They don't have to cook much. Still want a bit of bite on them. Now, in with the sauce. And turn it right up. I want a ferocious bubble here now. In with the beef. And you want every part of this crispy beef covered in the sweet, sour, sticky sauce. Yes, these are ready. And I just love serving this with some plain white rice. Oh, look at that. It smells so good. Just finished some spring onions, black sesame seeds. And there you have it, Welsh beef, Chinese twist, match made in heaven. Have a go, tag me in your pictures.